Hello, I'm Sarthak Ganguly, and today I'm going to show you how you can record steps to reproduce a particular problem. This particular feature is probably one of the most underhyped ones of Windows 7, and it's found there in default, so you don't have to download any third-party software. So let me show you how it works. First, you go to Start, then in the search panel you can type in as record steps, and on the control panel you will find record steps to produce a problem. Click that. Okay, now at this point of time my computer there is no particular problem. So we're going to simulate one. Say we're going to open the power options. We're going to click, say, the balanced ones and minimize it, and then high performance one, and then close it. And I'm just going to show you how it exactly records steps. Okay. Alright, let's close this and let's begin the problem steps recorder with start recording. Okay, now the recording has begun. What we do is what we promised. Okay, we fire up power options and we click balanced. You will find a red dot where you click. It actually records every user click that you do. And we minimize it. It's minimized to the taskbar. Okay, here is power options, and now we click it back again and we make this high power performance radio button selection. So it's done and we close it. Now let's just show this add comment feature as well. Now let's just select it, this particular area. You can select any other place as well. I'll say let's write Windows. This is not exactly what I mean. You won't be able to probably understand why I'm doing this, but it's actually very useful when you're sending this particular file to some troubleshooter who is very far away from you, where there is no direct communication available. So writing about in detail about the problems or the issues you're facing in this particular highlight problem and comment area text box, it's really useful. So you go and click OK and you stop the record. Okay, and it asks me to save this particular file in particular location. I'll save it in desktop and let's name it report. It will be saved as a compressed archive, zip archive actually. So it's saved here. Let me close this particular problem steps recorder and it's closed. So this is report.zip. Let's unzip it. Okay, we don't need this file anymore. Okay, inside you will find an mhtml file which can be opened only with that is Internet Explorer, and the file name itself is pretty self-explanatory. It was created in 1956, which means at 19 hours 56 minutes. You can see the time here. It's 1956, so that's what it is documented. And this is 2011, the present year, and today is the 6th of September. Okay, so let's open it. And what do we have here? We have Internet Explorer 9 opening. Okay, the problem steps have all been recorded. Okay, first, what it says is the time is given and user left double click on power options list item in program manager. Now this is a pretty interesting and important piece of information, and along with the screenshot, a very beautiful screenshot here. I'm clicking here. This is where I'm clicking. It's fine. Zoomed in, zoomed out. This is where I clicked for a more detailed view, and then I clicked on minimize. Then I again selected the window, brought it up from the taskbar. I selected high performance here and I closed it. Okay, that's it. I closed it. And finally, I just added a comment. To see the comment, you just have to zoom this picture, click this picture to zoom it, and I find a comment written here, Windows. Okay, that doesn't provide me with much of information, but it's not really necessary for me at this point of time. But in case you're having real problems, you can write whatever you want to for some specific addressal of your issues or whatever. And here is a much more detailed log of what you did. This was in image form, and this is in text form. What it shows is same thing: the operating system version, problem steps, a number of steps, the dates, the times, missteps or other errors. Of course, no errors have been recorded. And here the UI elements, the user interface elements, have been described: shell, DLL, slash underscore dev view UI elements power options desktop folder view system view 32 etc etc. The thing is that yeah, these are pretty common things, they're pretty simple things actually. I mean, there's nothing to be afraid of. These are user interface components which are there in Windows systems. So if you see them, don't be scared, don't be afraid. These are perfectly normal. Uh, but at the end, all these things, probably if you are not troubleshooting yourself, these things won't be really necessary to you for you to understand. What you will have to do, say these are, in this particular case, there are only 7 steps. Now if you're really documenting a problem, you may have to go up to 30 steps. You don't have to review this file, each and every line that it's there. All you have to do is just attach this particular file to an email and send it to the person you want to. You can also use this for creating image-based tutorials and upload it to your blog or website or wherever you want to. Best thing is that being a part of the Windows 7 environment itself, I mean, it's not a third-party tool, so you get maximum integration, and it's very simple. You don't have to pay for it. And once you have paid for Windows itself, you don't have to pay anymore. So, and it's pretty simple. So I'm sure that next time you're in trouble, you should try and give this a try, and maybe, just maybe, this might really come in handy. So I hope you liked this video. This was my first one. And do visit my blog. It's at sarthakganguly.blogspot.com. This is, when you go there, you will find it's sgownblog.blogspot.com. Let me spell that out for you. sgownblog.sgownblog.blogspot.com. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.